Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to enable airplane mode on your Android device. Airplane mode is useful when you are flying or if you just want to disconnect temporarily. Let me show you how to turn it on step by step. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel because your one subscribe motivates me a lot. Alright, first swipe down the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. So I'm swiping down. And here you will see a lot of icons like Wi-Fi, data, doors, location, etc. Now look for the airplane mode icon. It looks like a small airplane. If you can't find it right now, swipe left or expand the panel. And now you will see airplane mode. Once you see the airplane mode icon, tap on it and you will notice that your mobile network, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off immediately. I'm not gonna do it because I am recording my phone screen from my PC via Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is gonna be disconnected, so I'm not clicking here. So if you click on this, the airplane mode will be turned on, and that's pretty simple, right? If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.